Hey, what's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Welcome to week 18 of my portfolio review, where I go over my buys and sells as well as the gains and losses in the portfolio. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you guys have been following my portfolio for the last couple of weeks, you would have saw that my portfolio has been like a locomotive. It's been crushing every milestone that's been set in its place. And this week, the train has finally been derailed as this week some of the stocks that we currently are holding in the portfolio had some nice healthy pullbacks. So I'm very happy, um, as it was starting to get a little bit uncomfortable with the amount of growth that was happening in the market. So let's get right into the gains and losses. So for today, I was up $119.39 at 0.37% gained, and I lost $40.94 during after hours trading. For the week, I was down $1,109.69 at 3.33% lost. For the month, I'm up $3,033.79 at 10.39% growth. For the last 3 months, I'm up $4,750.27 at 17.28%. For the year, I'm up $9,911.12 at 44.39%. And my all-time, I'm up $9,738.33 at 43.28% growth. So, for the buys and sells, basically what I was able to do was I brought 5 shares of Bank of America. We'll click into Bank of America really quick. As we changed the average cost in Bank of America. Last week, the average cost was $28.87. This week, it is now moved up to $29.08. I was scouting this particular stock like a hawk as I was trying to figure out a good entry point. I did see that it went down to $30.22 when on Wednesday when the Feds were finishing up and said that they weren't going to raise the interest rates. So I was thinking about buying right around here, and I didn't pull the trigger. I wound up pulling the trigger earlier today. So we're going to scroll down, and as you can see, May the 3rd, I bought 5 shares at $30.78. So we did have a nice opportunity to shave off a couple cents, but we didn't take that opportunity. And the other stock that I was able to buy was I bought 3 shares of Apple, and we changed the price of Apple. We shaved off a penny. Last week, our average cost was $17.31. This week, it's $17.30. So we will continue to add to Apple and Bank of America. While we are on the dip of Apple, we will just continue to add every time we have a dividend or something like that. We will add to Apple. So that was basically it for the buys and sells. I am currently in the portfolio. I keep forgetting to show you this, guys, every week. I'm currently sitting at $203.47 in buying power in the portfolio. And if I don't pull the trigger on Bank of America, we'll just continue to hold our buying power as the market it has just been on a nonstop tear. Stocks are higher than ever, and I'm just not sure where to place that money as we're up on the majority of the stocks that we are currently holding. So we'll go into the gains and losses next. So we'll start off with Disney. Last week in Disney, we were up $3,464.47. This week, we have lost some of that traction. We are up $2,690.71. Comcast has continued to be a beast in our portfolio, as last week we were up $842.24. This week we are up $857.84. Bank of America, last week we were up $58.06. This week we're up $72.40. Aurora Cannabis, we lost some traction as last week we were up $1,538.36. This week we're only up $1,405.66. Apple, last week we were down $188.20. This week we're down $174.88. CRF, last week we were down $163.72. This week we are down $156.65. So we lost growth in Disney and Aurora Cannabis, basically our two highest grossing stocks, but we grew everywhere else. And what you guys will know is I also, somebody else who signed up for Robinhood gave me a share of Groupon. So whoever you are, thank you for signing up for Robinhood. If you guys look in the description box, if you guys aren't already signed up with Robinhood, you can use my link and it will give both of us a free share, and I will be greatly appreciative of that. So that's basically it for our gains and losses. The only two pieces of news that I really want to talk about, they're not really big pieces of news, but Comcast is continuing to show its dominance as they just brought a Wi-Fi company named Deep Blue Communications. So that will further help them with their subscriber user growth for internet customers. So that was a really good acquisition. And I believe earlier in the day, as Berkshire Hathaway will be doing their investors meeting this weekend, Warren Buffett came out and said that he thought that Coke, it was not wise for Coke to jump in on the marijuana space, and that has been the biggest speculation with Aurora Cannabis, as Aurora Cannabis at one point had talks with Coca-Cola. So I think that killed a little bit of the investors, but I'm still not worried about it. So those were the only two pieces of news that I wanted to go over. If you guys want to follow my portfolio, I know I post videos every Friday. You guys can download an app called TradeBase. In this app, you are able to follow my portfolio throughout the week. It will let you know my buys and sells, as well as the gains and losses. So you guys are welcome to follow me on TradeBase. My name is right at the top left-hand corner. It's Biggest 1988 if you're interested. I will follow you back if you guys have a non-private portfolio that I can look at. I will follow you back. And one other thing, the portfolio gained an additional 17 subscribers, so we are kicking it with our subscriber growth. I am very, very appreciative of you guys, and let's keep this train moving forward. So basically, that's all the time that I have for today. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for your time, you guys, and have a great weekend.